Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Design of Tall Building in ETABS as my final assignment as a part for Skyfi Labs under the course of Structure and Foundation Analysis. In this tutorial, we are going to design and analyze the tall building of 23 storage. 23 storage. In this, this is the plan view of 20 store feet high tall building. The grade of concrete is M30 and the grade of steel is HOSD 415 and FE 250. Column and beam dimension would be 500 mm into 500 mm. Dead load would be 1.5 kN per meter square and the live load would be 4 kN per meter square.
Open ETABS and you will see the following dialog box. Select new model. After selecting a new model, you will see the dialog box. In this, select display unit as metric SI, database as Indian, and IS code for steel IS 800 2007 and IS code for concrete design is IS 456 2000. Click on OK. Now you will see the quick template box. Below you will see the different types of templates for structural objects. In uniform grid spacing, number of grid line in x direction, keep it 4. In y direction also you keep the same. Change the spacing to 6 meter in both x direction and y direction. As we are going to design the tall building, number of storage in the tall building is 23. Select the grid only type and click on OK.
Now you will see two windows. The first window showing the plan view and the second window showing the 3D view. Now we will define the material. Define material properties, add materials, change region to India, material to steel and grade Fe250. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Similarly, you have to add Fe415 and for concrete M30. After selecting all the materials, click on OK. After defining materials, now we will define the section property. Define and section property and go to frame section. Now add new properties. For concrete, select the rectangular section. We will give the properties name as B 500 by 500. Select the material as M30. Depth and width each 500. Now for reinforcement detail, we will go to modify / show rebar. Here we are designing beam, so select M3 design only for beam. Change the rebar to HOSD 415 and confinement to 250. Keep other setting as is. Click on OK. Again click on OK. The beam has been defined. Now we'll define the column section. Click on concrete. Change the name to C 500 by 500. Material section as M30. Depth and width as 500 each. Now we will show reinforcement. Keep M column design, longitudinal bar to HOSD 415 and confinement bar to mild steel 250. Keep the cover as 40 and other dimension as same. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Again click on OK. Now we will define the slab. Go to Define Section Property and select Slab Section. In this, add new property. Name the slab as Slab 150. Now select the material M30. Change the thickness to 150 mm. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now the section properties for all beam, column and slab have been designed. After drawing beams and column, now we will draw slabs. Go to Draw menu, select Draw Floor Walls and then select Quick Draw Floor Wall. Select the property of slab as Slab 150 as defined. Now select the following area shown in the figure. You can see in 3D view all the slabs for whole for 23 stories have been drawn. Now we will assign joints to the structure. Click on, first of all select the select as shown in the as shown. Now go to assign, select joints, then select restraint. Click on fixed as shown in figure. Click on apply, then click on OK. You can see that fixed support has been applied to all. Now go to first storage by clicking move up in the list. Now we will assign the dead load and live load. As dead load and live load are same, click on select all the slabs by clicking on the slab. Make sure that you have selected all storage option. Click on assign, then click on frame load, click on shell load, then click on uniform. Here select dead and apply the dead load of 1.5 kN per meter square. Click on apply and then click on OK. You can see the dead load of 1.5 kN have been applied. Similarly, we will apply the live load of 4 kN over the slab. Select the slab as shown. Click on assign, shell load and then select uniform. Change the load pattern to live load and load to 4 kN per meter square. Click on apply and then click on OK. You can see the live load of 4 kN per meter square have been applied to all the slabs. Now after defining and assigning the load, now we will run the analysis for the building. Click on analysis and then click on run analysis. Before running the analysis, we need to save the model. Save the model as tall building underscore 1. Save the file. After saving the file, it will take few seconds to run the analysis on the model. You can see the progress of analysis below left hand side.
After running the analysis, you can see the displacement value in the 3D view as shown. After running the analysis, now we will run design. Click on design, then click on concrete section, then start check design. Wait for a few minutes until the software runs the design. After software completes the design, you can see the reinforcement value required at the different location in the structure as shown in the plan area. You can select the up and down arrow to see the different reinforcement at different storage by clicking up and down arrow. Now you have done you have drawn, analysis and designed the tall building of 23 storage building.